love the song, then keep on watching and do subscribe to my channel to get the notification bell so you'll get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And one more thing, if you have not followed me on my Instagram, do follow me on my Instagram. Links are in the description. Now without further ado, let's move to the video. Alright, so let me tell you the chords. We are using 4 chords in the song. The first chord is D, F sharp, A. Second chord is G, G, B, D. The third chord is B minor, so B, D, F sharp. The scale is B though, so we are using D scale, so D. Okay, so if you know the D scale, then yeah. And then F sharp minor, so F sharp, A, C sharp. Yeah, this is the chords we are using. These are the chords we are using in the song. Now let's move to the song. So the main chorus, starts on F sharp, and the song is starting from there. It's like memories follow me. Then come on G, and from here left and right. Then come on D, I can feel over here. Then I can feel over here. Then come on A from here. You take up every corner of my mind. And then what you gonna do? So what you gonna do? Yeah, that's it. Now let's play the song. So for the song, come on E, and from here, ever since the day you went away. Come on A again. No, I don't know how. Come on E again. Now come on E again, and from here, how to erase your body from out my brain. Now come on E again. What you gonna do now? Then again, the same. Now come on E again, and from maybe I should just focus on me instead. Come on E. But all I think about the next line. Money again, and from here, all the nuts were tangled up in our bed. Then next line. Now come on D again, and from here, oh no, oh no. Then again, oh no, oh no. The next line. Now come on D again, and from here, you're going round in circles, got you stuck up in my head. Then again, memories follow me left. So come on again, F sharp, and from here, memories follow me left and right. Then I can feel over here. I can feel over here. Then come on A, you take up every corner of my mind. Then the next lines are like same. Now again, so F sharp, and from here, your love stays with me day and night. Then again D, I can feel over here. Then I can feel over here. A, you take up every corner of my mind. What you gonna do now? That's it. Now Jungkook, So basically Jungkook's line are like same as Charlie's. So yeah, if you will find any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. So I'm just skipping that part. Now let's move to the next part. Now come on A, and from here, did you know? Come on F sharp, and it's like, you're the one. Then come on F sharp again, that got D away. Next line. On A again, I was like, and even now, baby, come on F sharp, still not okay. And then next line. Then come on A again, and from here, did you know that my dreams, come on F sharp, they're all the same. Next line. Now come on G, and from here, every time I close my eyes, da da da. So it's like eyes and memories. So now we're gonna repeat the same things, like memories follow me left and right. I can feel over here, I can feel over here. You take up every corner of my Now let's play with our both hands. So yeah, if you find any mistake, you can just text me, like comment down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is how you play the song. And yeah, bye.